dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. As we dey give on a back-to-back update and information as e dey hot. So if today na your first time to join us on this wonderful channel for the very first time, abeg make you like, subscribe and share, but don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. The headlines: the Edo State Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu explained his decision to challenge his impeachment in court. So he don come out come talk say he stand to strengthen Nigeria's jurisprudence and to protect the office of the Deputy Governor from future disrespect. My people don't be small casalo. Moving on after this, we have a civil society organization, TAP Initiative, don't come out on Tuesday. Come file a petition before the Independent Corrupt Practice and Other Related Offences Commission, demanding the prosecution of some officials that were involved in recent governorship election that held in Edo State. Hey, my people know it's more big, but before I go bring the mentor, I go welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. I thank you well for joining us on today's wonderful news. Oh, my people, make I na the mentor. The Deputy Governor of Edo State explained his decision to challenge his impeachment in court, saying it is a stand to strengthen Nigeria's jurisprudence and to protect the office of the Deputy Governor from future disrespect because he don't want that. My people don't be small while. So speaking to journalists in Abuja, Philip Shaibu emphasized that his legal battle is a message to both Governor Obaseki and other politicians about the need to respect the office of the Deputy Governor. Philip Shaibu stressed that his goal is to ensure that no governor undermines his institution again. He said democracy has come to stay in Nigeria, though it has its challenges. So he is fighting to enrich our jurisprudence. Say, as this situation don't come show say there is need for democratic principle. Philip Shaibu talk say he knows many individuals wey dey inside politics say they are not Democrats, so they have no place in the democratic settings. So he went ahead to highlight the importance of holding democratic institutions accountable, saying that he is committed to fighting anti-democratic tendencies in Edo State. So they are in court with the next hearing on November 25th. And he wants the people to understand that there is no time limit on addressing criminal acts. He said they are pushing this to the end to set a precedent in Nigeria jurisprudence. Philip Shaibu added that this isn't about election timelines, that is about ensuring accountabilities. So they need to send a clear message to the future governors who might be tempted dictators, and it's also a battle to elevate the office of the Deputy Governor nationwide. Philip Shaibu didn't end there, my people. He went ahead to underscore the importance of mutual respect between the office of the governor and the deputy governor, as well as other government roles, such as the president and vice president and the speaker and senate president. He said that no governor should disrespect the deputy governor's office and vice versa. That the governor's office cannot function without the deputy governor, and the same is true in reverse. Philip Shaibu further asserted his confidence, stating that he knows Governor Obaseki won't be resting easy as his tenure ends, while he sleep well because he's on the side of the law. He made one statement. He said, when you uphold the law, it will always support you. So right now, Philip Shaibu said that for those who don't, that it will eventually catches up with them. My people, this thing are coming amid the court order that was issued to Godwin Omobayo, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, that was appointed by Governor Godwin Obaseki to appear in the Federal High Court Abuja on November 26th over alleged disobedience to a prior court ruling. My people, Philip Shaibu contended that Godwin Omobayo failed to vacate the deputy governorship role despite the court decision. So right now, Justice Omotosho previously voided Philip Shaibu impeachment on 17 July, declaring that the Edo State House of Assembly did not follow due process. He also ruled that the impeachment basis did not meet the threshold for gross misconduct. So right now, in the interest of the justice, he has alleged that Godwin Omobayo is hereby ordered to be in person in court on November 26th. Hey, my people, don't be small while out. So, because I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. A civil society organization Initiative on Tuesday filed a petition before the Independent Corrupt Practice, another related offences commission, demanding the prosecution of some officials that were involved in the recent governorship election that held in Edo State. Specifically, the petition called for a thorough investigation and trial of some of the ad hoc staff the Independent National Electoral Commission used for the conduct of the election, alleging that they engaged in acts of forgery. So the civil society organization who submitted the petition at the headquarters of the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission in Abuja said they would not hesitate to seek a fiat from the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice if the anti-corruption agency failed to act on this demand. So speaking with journalists shortly after the petition was accepted by the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission on Tuesday, the executive director of TAP Initiative, Mr. Martins Abono, further threatened to petition the European Union and other international agencies to stop sending funds to INEC, saying it appears the electoral body has taken over ringing from politicians. According to the group, it was worried that INEC allowed their officials to be compromised during election. So right now, Martins don come out to say his organization has discovered the alleged criminal action of some INEC staff members after they obtained the certified true copies of Edo State governorship election results. So he told the newsmen that the group uncovered a lot of discrepancies in the certified true copies of the electoral election. Prominent among which, he said, include the absence of signatories of polling unit agencies and presiding officers. So the group said the discrepancies in the certified true copy of the election result propelled it to engage a forensic expert from South Africa to carry out analysis that established there were manipulation of results at the coalition center. So the analysis conducted by the experts established that Form EC8A were compromised at the coalition center, where only one person signed all the documents. Not only that, and the form can carry the same serial numbers but different election results. My problem is for water. So right now, a lot of people don't come to regret say INEC don't belong to the institutional electoral fraud. That INEC ought to be a gatekeeper. But right now, they don't go involve themselves in direct ringing and changing of the will of the people. So right now, the group are demanding that all those involved in subverting the will of the electorate must be brought to justice because they are not satisfied with the apology that was recently tendered by the INEC chairman, Prof. Mahmoud Yakubu. They are aware of the apology that was recently tendered by INEC chairman, but they say apology does not ease criminality committed against the people. Hey, my people don't be so wild. So I guess I would like to know what you think about this matter in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to here.